Hi everyone, I'm Laurie Ann Trueluck and welcome to another community highlight episode on our Trueluck Team YouTube channel. Today we're exploring a local gem that has captured our taste buds and our hearts. I'm here at Grated and Cured. Grated and Cured, owned by Tracy and Beth, is a place where local flavors, unique creations, and culinary passion all come together. They've truly mastered the art of curated charcuterie boards and grazing boards, which are simply divine. Tracy and Beth, lifelong friends and both native Floridians being born and raised right here in Ocala, bring their experience in customer service, marketing, and event management to create an exceptional experience. Their dedication to showcasing all things local, unique, and delicious shines through with every bite. What sets Grated and Cured apart is their attention to detail. They special and locally sourced ingredients, carefully curating each board to create a feast for the eyes and for the palate. Whether you're looking for a unique gift, planning a special event, or simply craving a delectable treat, Grated and Cured has you covered. And guess what? They even offer local delivery in all 3 of their service locations, making it easier than ever to enjoy their mouth-watering creations. Let me tell you, their incredible charcuterie boards are perfect for any occasion. They can elevate your gatherings, impress your guests, and leave a lasting impression. The Trueluck team is proud to support local businesses like Grated and Cured. They are an essential part of our community, adding flavor and charm to Ocala. So the next time you're in need of something unique and delicious, please be sure to visit Grated and Cured at their storefront here in Buckmaster at 405 East Silver Springs Boulevard, or contact them for more information about delivery or the boarding school. You can email them at gratedandcured@gmail.com. Thanks for joining us for this community highlight episode. Remember to support local businesses like Grated and Cured. They make our community vibrant and special. Until next time, this is Laurie Ann Trueluck signing off. Have a great day.